This is an interesting co-challenge for black. The first move shouldn't be too hard to find. It has to be here. Otherwise, white can play here and live very easily. If black comes in from the left, then white can make an extra eye with number 4. So black must occupy this point. And now white needs to be careful. If he plays on the left, black can connect back, and white will be dead. If white plays something like this, hoping for this ko, right? But actually, no. Black can just play this and kill white. There's already not enough eye space. So white's strongest response is right here. And now black needs to be careful. Seems like destroying this eye, this potential eye here, is a good idea. But actually, no. White can live this way. And number 1 will actually be a real eye, no matter what. So after white's number 2, black needs to play right here. It's a very interesting move. If white connects here, then black can still kill white by playing at 5 and 7. This will be a pyramid 4 shape at the end. If white captures, then black can push here, forcing white to connect. Otherwise, 1 and 3 will become a fake eye after number 9. If white connects, then we'll be back to the previous variation. That's why number 4 has to be right here. And this is the ko we're looking for. But you have to play the ko in the right sequence, 1, 3, and 5. If black wins the ko, then of course, black will kill white very easily by connecting here. If white gets the ko back, black can connect here. This is a local ko threat, right? Because white cannot finish the ko. If it finishes at number 10, it will still be dead. So white will have to play the Atari here, probably. And black will capture. White captures back. Is there another local ko threat? These are the ko threats you should always be looking for in this type of situation. Is this a local ko threat? Seems like it, but actually no. White can just capture these 2 stones and make a living shape. So number 15 is actually not a ko threat. So black will have to find ko threats elsewhere. And if white wins, of course, white will be able to live with number 16. So that's how the ko will play out. That's it for this problem. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for watching.